This is, a super finance app where you can do everything with your money in crypto. You can send to your friend, you can split bill with your friend, you can make a gift, you can do a payroll, you can do swap, and also you can earn. This is built on Solana because Solana is cheap and also fast. Let's see what it can do. Okay, for the first time we need to register. You can choose whatever method you want. I'll be using the Solana wallet for this. So in the background it will make you a new wallet to use this app. Okay, so as you can see, this is the dashboard and also there's a guide here. We won't be need this because I will try every feature. Okay, so this is your basic dashboard. You see your holding, your recent activity. This is your statistics, send, receive, and how much you split bill. Let's do a send. Okay, let's pick someone in my contact. I already have friends. This is Fundraiser, it's my friend. And this is the risk score. If it's 0, then this wallet is safe. As you can see here, the wallet is safe because the risk score is 0. We try to send Solana to him. Let's send 0.01. And the memo is copy. Okay, double check your transaction before you confirm. Right, we done sending Solana to Fundraiser, and you can see the transaction has. You can see I have a notification because I already opened the browser. Let's do a private payment. In this button you can click and it will automatically use a private transfer. Okay, let's private transfer to Fundraiser. And in private transfer you can only send USDC or USDT, but that's fine. If you choose USDT and you don't have USDT in your account, you can always choose another account, another token. Like this, we'll be using Solana. It will automatically swap Solana into USDT, and then it will do a private transfer to your friends. So let's do this. Okay, it's done. Your friend will be getting the notification here, but if you see on the blockchain, it's sent to another address, not your friend address. So this is the private transfer and it's done. Okay, now let's see what request feature is. I will be making a request feature, a request link. So I need to request 0.1 USDT. Let's say this is for copy, and we generate the link. You copy the link or you share to WhatsApp or you share to Telegram. You copy the link and then share it to your friends. Let's see, I will use another account for this. Okay, so this is the payment page. Notice how we can use other token to pay. So Ryan basically requesting 0.1 USDT, but we can pay with every token we have. We can pay USDC, USDT, or we can pay using Solana. So I will pay using Solana. Right. And you can see here, if you see it in the request, it already paid. So let's get back to dashboard. Okay, that is for request feature, and then this is a swap feature. You basically can do any swap you want. Let's swap the USDT to Solana. This is just a basic swap feature, and let's see what's inside Split. So in Split bill, let's see, this is a split bill for dinner at McDonald's. Oh, what token do you want? You can pick any token. Let's pick USDC. In total, I need 0.5 USDC. And let's pick fundraiser, and let's pick my other friend. Okay, so this is my friend, and let's split the amount evenly. So each person will need to pay 0.25 USDC. You can always add another person, or you can always delete the person, but for split you need at least 2 participants. If you only need one participant, just use the request feature. Split bill is for splitting more than 2 people. Okay, so let's create the split. Okay, as you can see, there's a notification. Ryan added you to split. This is the title, and you can view the split on the request. See, this is the split, and this is open. This is the participant, and both participants didn't pay. So let's pay using fundraiser account. So in request, if you see in the to me tab, you can see this is the same split, Ryan request. Let's pay. Will redirect you to the payment page, and you can always choose any token to pay. Let's use Solana for this. Alright, it's done. So if you see this, let's refresh. And as you can see, fundraiser already paid. You can see this is the transaction hash. So there's only 1 people left need to pay, but let's skip that for later. Okay, next feature is gift. You can create a gift, and you can share your gift to every person that already registered in Sinom. So let's make the slot is 2, and I will be giving a USDC gift. Let's say I'll be giving 0.5. So if you choose evenly, each person will get 0.25 USDC. But if you choose random, it will randomly per person. Well, let's choose even for this one, and then it will never expire. You can always set the expire, but this one is never expire. So let's create the gift. You can copy, you can share to WhatsApp or Telegram, and you can see the progress of your gift here. There's no one claim this one yet, so let's claim using the fundraiser account. Okay, let's claim, and I get the USDC. So you can see here, fundraiser, claim your gift, and you can refresh this page. And as you can see here, fundraiser already claimed. So there's one left for people to claim. Okay, that's all for gift, and now for payroll. Payroll basically a batch transfer. It made for you to send a bulk transfer to your team. Let's see, this is for salary, this one. I will be send USDC, and I'll pick the contact and add another recipient. But for another recipient, you can choose another wallet. So let's pick a wallet, and this will send directly to the address. And let's split equally. So this is my balance, it will be split equally to all this address. You can always add a recipient, you can add notes, and let's send this. Okay, as you can see, there's a notification, Ryan send me a USDC, and it will also send to the address that not registered in Sino. Okay, so that's for payroll. Let's see on the notification, there's a lot of notification here. You can mark all as read. And let's see in the request, this is the request. This is the same as the on the dashboard. You can request payment, you can do a split request, and you can see if there's a request to me, I need to pay this. Or you can see your request to other. This is your gift tab, how much you send and how much you receive. Let's see on the transfer page, this is same as the payroll, but you have a recurring transfer. So basically you will do a recurring payment on every month on the date of 25. The amount will be 0.001 Solana. So this will be scheduled every 25. It will send the SOL or USDC to your friends. And this is the payroll. This is same as the dashboard. And on the portfolio page, you can see all your portfolio, how much you send, how much you receive, what's the net flow. This is basically the statistic. And by token, how much do you send. In this statistic, I send so much USDC. So 99%, 94% I send in USDC. This is your top recipient. And this is your PNL, and this is earn tab. You can put your money to earn. This is basically just Jupiter Lending earning, and you can always use any token to earn. As you can see, I don't have USDC, but I can use Solana for this. It will automatically swap the SOL to USDC and then deposit to the vault. You can see the quote amount here. This is your final amount. So let's deposit into this vault. And it's done. You already deposit the USDC. Also, you can withdraw to any token. I want this USDC to receive as SOL. So let's withdraw, and it's done. Okay, let's go to activity tab. This is your all activity. It's in the app, or it's the private send, or it's on chain. You can also export as CSV or PDF. And this is your report as PDF. You can use this for tax report or anything. And this is your contact and friends. Contact is basically you put a wallet address and you give a label. And friends is anyone in the Sino app that already registered. You can add them as friend, you can remove, you can change the label here. And last, on the profile page, since this is a non-custodial app, you can always export your private key. You can copy key, you can import to any wallet you want, and then use the wallet as your primary address. You can also enable your push notification. This is already enabled by default, but if you first time registered, you need to enable this manually, because browser basically disable the push notification by default. And you can change your display currency. As you can see here, I will choose IDR for my display currency. So all in the dashboard will change into IDR. So that's it guys for Sino. Also, if you prefer on the mobile, you can install the PWA on your mobile. This is the view on the mobile. So this app is supported in any device you want. You can use this on mobile, you can use this on desktop. So that's it for Sino. I hope you guys use my app. I hope you guys give feedback. If you have any feedback, if you have encounter error, you can always send me a message on Twitter. I will support you guys if you have any error. And that's it. Thank you for watching.